is for the enemy. Your mind will shatter. I will rip you apart from inside out. Your thoughts betray you. They won't even know what hit them. I must focus. No. A good choice. Great minds think alike. I heed thy call. With a pure mind, will, thought. I have no mana to do that. I sense a great power in this world. What destiny awaits? My life for Newerth. Mind over matter. My power can bend all to my will. Hey, get that filthy mouse cursor away from me, or I'll move it myself. I am not the avatar you were looking for. The power of thought is the magic of the mind. They say ignorance is bliss. Tell me this is true. Do or do not, there is no try. I thought you would see it my way. Yours is the inferior mind.